This is the new gimbal from DJI and it's called the Pocket 3. In this video, I'm going to take it through its paces and we're going to see if it lives up to the hype that's been created around it. I've used this gimbal now for about 3 weeks. I've had time to get used to it. I've had time to find out that if it's got any flaws and what's good about the gimbal as well. The gimbal weighs in at 179 grams and it actually does fit in your pocket. It's sturdy, it's not as fragile as it looks, and it comes in a protective case that when you switch the gimbal off, it goes into storage mode. You put the gimbal into the case. Inside the hard case, it has a felt lining, so it's not harsh to touch. Once the gimbal's placed into the case, it will protect the lens on the gimbal and also the rotatable screen. It also has 2 slots. It has one for the wide angle lens adapter, which just connects magnetically to the camera and also connects to the case magnetically. It will also carry the Pro Black mist filter, and that is secured magnetically. The gimbal is a free access gimbal, so it can pan, tilt and rotate. It has a 20mm fixed focal length and a fixed 2.0 aperture. You charge the Osmo via USB-C. You can get 80% of charge in 16 minutes. DJI say you'll get 116 minutes of 4K 60 frames per second on a full charge, and you get 166 minutes of 1080p at 24 frames per second. The Osmo has 3 microphones that are built in, and this gives you omnidirectional sound recording. It's also good for picking up sound, so it can pick up somebody who's talking in front of you and block out the wind noise at the same time, so it's good at filtering out unwanted noise. You can also attach external microphones via USB. You can also attach an external set of headphones to externally monitor the sound. If you put the Pocket into selfie mode by pressing the joystick 3 times, it will activate face tracking, so it will automatically keep your face in the middle of the frame and also keep your face in focus. It also has a system called Active Track. This is version 6.0, and if it's on a tripod, it will automatically follow you around. It will also hook up to DJI Mic 2. It will do that automatically and it doesn't need a receiver. And there's also a place at the top of the protective case where you can clip the mic on and you can carry that around for storage. The Pocket also has a feature called Spin Shot, which is basically allowing you to revolve the camera's head while pulling away or pushing in, doing a push-in shot, and it just adds another dynamic aspect to your filming. It also has a low light mode, which is limited to 30 frames per second. It also comes with a hyperlapse setting and a time-lapse setting. It also has a panoramic mode that helps you take panoramic shots. It also has photo mode. In photo mode, the Osmo can take decent photos as it has got a 1-inch sensor. It has an ISO range of 50 to 6400 and an f-stop of 2.0, so you will get some bokeh. It's actually capable of taking pretty good shots, although it's not a dedicated photo camera. It's more aimed at the videographer market. I've really enjoyed using the Pocket. It is extremely capable, and for something that comes in such a small form factor, I just think it's incredible what DJI have done. And also, you would think that the unit is quite flimsy and quite weak, but it's actually not. It's actually quite strong and sturdy, and it doesn't seem to bend or flex in any way. It just seems to be, like I said, a sturdy unit, and obviously demonstrated before you get the case as well, so it's perfect for transportation, taking on holiday, and it could be your all-in-one. You actually don't get that much attention when you're out and about using it because it's such a small unit. People using their phones to film everything these days, and that's just part of normal life. The gimbal being pretty much the same size as a phone, you don't get that much attention, so you can discreetly film whatever it is you're filming and not get attention as you would with a big mirrorless camera. I only got the actual Pocket. You can get a Creator combo which comes with the Mic 2, one Mic 2, the battery handle extender, the tripod, and a few other things, a carry case. But I didn't need any of that. I've already got DJI Mic 1. I've got a small DJI tripod anyway, so it just wasn't worth it for me. I bought the wide angle lens, the Pro Mist filter separately, and I bought the set of DJI ND filters. They come in a pack of 4. So yeah, I did buy some extras, but the other things just didn't need, and these quite a different price difference in between the sets. All in all, I think you should go and check it out. Maybe get one for yourself, have a look at some more reviews and just work out, but I don't think you can go wrong. Even if you're not a videographer or you don't do YouTube, but you just want them for family memories, it's just a perfect camera. Okay, thanks for watching. Please drop us a thumbs up and a subscribe. It really helps the channel out and it allows me to review more things and give you my opinion, help you make choices yourself. Okay, thanks.